Texas and other states have been open 100% for a while, and new COVID cases and deaths have remained low. While masks are optional in most Texas businesses, they are still mandatory on public transportation.
In the fall of 2021, will we still be wearing masks on planes?
That is really driven by the science and driven by public health.
We talked to Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg about President Biden's July 4th goal of having 70% of Americans who have gotten at least one vaccine dose. Less than 50% of eligible Texans are fully vaccinated.
Do you think people who haven't gotten vaccinated yet just aren't going to get vaccinated in general?
Sometimes it may be because they have questions or they're doubting this vaccine. They don't know how safe and how effective it is for them. For others, there might be obstacles to getting it. That's why we want to make sure people know that, for example, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, DART is offering free rides to be able to get access.
As cruise lines prepare to return to sailing, some, like Carnival, thought about requiring proof of vaccination for customers. Governor Abbott recently signed an order banning vaccine passports, saying Texans should have the freedom to go where they want to go with no restrictions or requirements.
What's your stance on the governor banning vaccine passports?
If a company, if a business wants to take steps to keep their workers and their passengers safe, I would think that from a government perspective, we want to do everything we can to encourage that. And that's certainly our view at the federal level.
There is also another focus for Secretary Buttigieg outside of the pandemic: infrastructure. President Biden proposed a very large infrastructure package. A recent national poll by Monmouth University says it has 68% of the public supporting it, with 29% opposing it. But with a price tag of $4 trillion, is struggling to get Republican support. But there has been some progress on a smaller spending plan.
We've had healthy conversations with Republican and Democratic members of the Senate and the House. I remain hopeful that we can get results together on a bipartisan basis, but we're pursuing more than one pathway to get this done because in the end, it's got to happen.
Stephen Dial, Fox 4 News.